Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is a quick demo of Cognition360 showing you self-service reporting and analytics. What I have here is Power BI, and we're over a number of Star Schema facts and dimensions or tables in the database that Cognition provides. First thing I'm going to show is we're going to look at some time analysis for our team. So I have available hours for the team. I want to see what their total recorded hours were for the team, and then I want to add the billable hours. Now we've pre-selected the engineering team only, and we've pre-selected a year of data in this. The next thing we probably would want to do is segment that data by the users. So let's just drag our full name into here, and there we have each team member and the time that they recorded. Now the second matrix over here, or table, I'm going to look at now the billable hours component for this team. So the next thing I want to do is look at that by company. So here I come up and find the company. I'm able to choose company name and drag that in here, and there we have billable hours by company. And the next piece that I may want to do is then look at, for each of those ones, which of the users, which of my team did what work. And so I'm able to drag that and make the team columns. And here we have all the team. And of course, with Power BI, automatically we get the ability to cross query. So here, by selecting on the company, I can see which of the team members did, or by selecting over here, I can see which companies Cheryl worked on in this year. Again, we can filter by date, by team, by person, automatic. So there's the beginning of analytics. Thank you very much.